Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the account itself. This is the essential first action. Open Settings and tap Sign into your iPhone, then choose Create Apple ID. Enter your real name and birth date because Apple uses that for recovery and legal checks. Next, provide an email or make an iCloud. Com address and pick a strong password you can remember. Set a recovery phone or secondary email, answer security prompts, and request the verification code. Once you verify, you've completed the core setup. Once your Apple ID exists, lock it down and connect Apple services. Turn on two-factor authentication to require both your password and a code. Add trusted numbers and confirm devices so you can approve sign-ins. Next, sign into iCloud and choose which apps sync. Photos, contacts, calendars, messages, and iCloud backup. Those sync settings determine what gets stored and restored. Then, add a payment method if you plan to buy apps or subscriptions, or leave it blank to avoid charges. Finish by verifying your email and signing into the App Store, FaceTime, and iMessage, so purchases and services tie to the same Apple ID. Make sure Find My is on and run an immediate iCloud backup. This ensures you can restore a device later. Confirm device list in your Apple ID settings and remove any unknown devices. If things go wrong, for example, you're locked out, immediately use Reset Password from your device, start account recovery if needed, or use a trusted device to approve access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.